Alright, we have a 2016 Ford F-550 with a Summit body. Summit 6620. It's a 6,000 pound crane, the VanAir air compressor, 2 oil reels, 1 air reel, and a torch reel. Gas engine. Nice clean truck. I'm going to show you the crane will reach out 21 foot. The truck's been serviced. Compressor kicking in, you can control that with the remote. Got the air reel back here, oil reels are on top on the other side. This in here, the welder was not on it, but we did have one that needs some work to get it running, but that's going to be included with the truck. You see all the lights working. Quick look at the interior. In the pictures you see the stack of drawers. And this in here was missing the bottom drawer. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. That's our 2016 Ford F-550. It's gas-powered automatic.